您好，同学们，今天我们来学习现在几点。Today we will learn about how to say what time is it now and some related vocabulary. In this video we will learn only about diǎn, that means hour or o'clock. In next part we will learn about phân鐘, that means minute. At the end of the video there is a challenge for you to speak up, so watch till end. 来，我们就开始吧。Let's get started. First, let's learn some vocabulary. Repeat after me. Number 1, 现在，现在，现在 that means now. Number 2, 点，点，diǎn, that means o'clock or hour. Once again, 现在，现在，点，点。Now, 同学们 let's revise once again Hanyu 数字 Chinese number. 一，一，二，二，三，三，四，四，五，五，六，六，七，七，八，八，九，九，十，十，十一，十一，十二，十二。Okay, 同学们 look at here. This is another new word for you. Follow with me. 两，两，两 that means two. We will use this word 两 when we have to say it's 2 o'clock. 现在2点 we cannot use and say 2点 that will be incorrect. Okay, 同学们 please remember this. 同学们 repeat after me. 现在，现在，几，几，点，点。So all together, 现在几点 Repeat after me. 现在几点很好。现在 here means now. 几 here means how many or how much. 点 here means o'clock or hour. That means what time is it now. So in order to answer, you have to replace 几 with 数字 numbers. For example, 现在一点 that means it is 1 o'clock. For 2 o'clock, we have to use 两 Remember that. 现在2点，现在2点 that means now it is 2 o'clock. How about 3 o'clock? 现在3点，对，现在3点。How about 4? For number 4, we say 4. So all together, 现在4点，现在4点，懂了吗？ Understood? 同学们 look at the clock. So 现在1点 So now it is 1 o'clock. 对不对？现在1点。So how about this one? Look at the clock, it is 5 o'clock. So we can say 现在5点，现在5点。 Now how about this one? So from the clock we can see it is 10 o'clock. So we can say 现在10点。对，现在10点。Now how about this one? From the clock it is 11 o'clock. So how to say 11? Number 11 in Chinese? We say 11. So we can say 现在11点。现在11点。That means now it is 11 o'clock. Now how about this one? Look at the clock. It is 12 o'clock. So how to say 12 in Chinese? 12. 对，12。So we can say 现在12点。现在12点。That means now it is 12 o'clock. Okay, 同学们 let's revise once again. 现在几点？现在几点？ If it is 1 o'clock, we can say 现在1点。If it is 2 o'clock, we can say 现在2点。现在几点？现在1点、2点、3点都可以。Now, 同学们 let's have a challenge to speak up in Chinese. I will ask time and you will say the time by looking at the clock. Ready? Okay, look at the first picture. 现在几点？ Once again. 现在几点？现在5点。Now look at second picture. 现在几点？ Once again. 现在几点？很好，现在1点。It is 1 o'clock. Next picture. 现在几点？现在几点？ So from the clock it is 11 o'clock. So we can say 现在11点。现在11点。That means now it is 11 o'clock. Look at second picture. 现在几点？现在几点？ From the clock it is 10 o'clock. So we can say 现在10点。现在10点。Now it is 10 o'clock. So how about this one? 现在几点？现在几点？ So from the clock it is 2 o'clock. For this we have to use 2. We cannot use 2点。So 现在2点。现在2点。That means it is 2 o'clock. Look at second picture. 现在几点？现在几点？ So from the picture it is 12 o'clock. So we can say 现在12点。现在12点。同学们 that's all for today's lesson. I hope this video was super helpful to you. 我希望这个视频你喜欢。谢谢大家，下次见。Thank you and see you in next video.